Okay, this is for all you YouTube folks out there that are looking to fix your outgoing, or I should say incoming email. I had this issue the other day, not sure how all this happened, but just all of a sudden I wasn't receiving emails. So the first thing I did was I went to the cable company that are my provider, my internet provider, and they had said, sometime that when this has happened before, they said that something changed in their settings and I had to readjust my settings. So that's what I thought the problem was. Got a couple of folks on the phone, burned through three folks at my internet provider. Each of them said that I needed to tweak my settings. I went into my settings and changed the settings for incoming and outgoing. That didn't work. I called back and I said, okay, this is not working once again. Is there anything else? They said no, they were passing the buck. So I burned through a few YouTube videos on YouTube, which none of them could tell me how to do this. And I did find a clue in one of the YouTube videos that said something about spam settings in my account with my email provider. Now that's where you go into their system and you change where you do your initial setup and connect it through Outlook. And they said that maybe it's spam settings there. Well, I called them back again and they said, well, the settings in there are okay. They had me go through a few tests and nothing. So what I did was I took that suggestion from that spam thing and I applied it to mine. So I went into tools, simply went into options, right over here in junk mail, clicked on my junk mail, and lo and behold, there's where the tick mark was. Safe lists only. If it's on this, that means you only get email from people that you've deemed or that you've set up in your Outlook system. So if I had a friend or a family and I put their two email addresses, those are the only people that I would receive emails. So I went into low, didn't want to go into here because I don't want junk coming through, and voila, applied, okay, and closed her out. Sent myself a test email and voila, it came in. Now it's not Groupon here, but that's all you have to do to fix it. I hope this works for you folks, and that is it.